In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your email autoresponders and broadcast messages in AWeber. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your email marketing skills, this guide will walk you through a clear and comprehensive process. First, you'll need to log into your AWeber account. This is where all the magic happens, connecting you with your audience in a professional and engaging way. Once you're logged in, take a moment to select the specific email list you want to work on. This step is crucial because it ensures that your messages reach the right audience, maximizing engagement and relevance. Next, navigate to the Messages section. Here you have the option to choose either campaigns if you're setting up an autoresponder or broadcasts for a one-time email blast. Each serves a different purpose, so choose according to your needs. After deciding, open an existing message or opt to create a new one by clicking Create a Message or Create a Broadcast. Starting fresh? Great! You'll then choose whether to use a pre-designed template or begin with a blank email. Templates can save time and offer a cohesive look, but a blank email offers full customization. Now focus on crafting your email subject line. Make it catchy and relevant. It's the first thing your recipients will notice and a critical factor in determining whether your email gets opened. With your subject line set, dive into creating the main content of your email. AWeber's formatting toolbar is your friend here. Use it to change the text font, size, and color to match your brand. Styling your text with bold, italic, or underline options can also emphasize key points. Additionally, you can organize information clearly with bulleted or numbered lists, and align text as needed to enhance readability. Including visuals can make your email more appealing. Click the image option to upload and insert images that complement your message. Don't forget to include buttons or hyperlinks for your call to action, ensuring your audience knows what steps to take next. For a personal touch, you might want to insert personalization fields, like first name, to make messages feel crafted specifically for each recipient. Before sending your masterpiece, it's wise to preview it. Check how your email looks on both desktop and mobile devices since a growing number of people read emails on the go. Once you're satisfied with the layout, send a test email to yourself for a final review. This allows you to catch any errors and see the email as your audience will. After reviewing, save your message to ensure your hard work isn't lost. If you're setting up an autoresponder, publish the campaign. For a broadcast, schedule it for the most opportune time or send it right away. And there you have it. Formatting your emails effectively ensures that your communication is professional and captivating, ultimately enhancing the connection with your audience. Enjoy crafting those messages and watching your engagement soar.